That looked really good, right? This was my first attempt at making a cinematic B-roll inspired by Daniel Schiffer. And how did I pull it off with my Canon 200D and no other accessory? Let's discuss shot by shot. I had in my mind making this sort of video for a very long time, but was not sure where to start. First, I selected the product, that is Realme Buds Q, for which I wanted to shoot the B-roll. As Realme advertises everything in yellow, so I bought yellow cardshit paper to use it as background and overall theme. In first shot, the camera zooms on the case and case automatically opens. For me, this was the trickiest shot I had to take. And for that, I used a bar and handed it to my brother and asked him to shut the case from behind. As he shut the case, I pulled the camera away. Then in edit, I reversed the shot and removed the bar from the frame by masking it in Premiere Pro. I shot everything handheld, so it was a bit shaky, but after edit it looked really cool, though the shot was not perfect as I wanted. Then in next shot, I toss the earbuds in air, they come in focus and fall right into the case. For achieving this, I had to set my camera in manual focus and I had to mark the height for which the buds will come in sharp focus. I tried getting it right for quite some time and after so many tosses, finally I got it right. Then this shot cuts to the buds falling in the case. This was little easier as I just had to throw the buds in the case without my hand getting in the frame. And after some color grading and speed ramping, it looked like this. Then in last shot, my brother picks up the earbuds and puts it in the ear. For that, I just had to pan the camera with hand movement and then I joined the shots using pan whip transition in Premiere Pro. If you want to know how I edit the pan whip transition in Premiere Pro, then do let me know in the comment section. And lastly, the camera holds on the earbuds and product name reveals. Also, to make the B-roll more cinematic, I added the sound design by using some basic sound effects. And after overall editing, the shot looked like this. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and I will catch you in the next one.